Latest social media updates. TikTok launches Creative Assistant to help guide the ad creation process. Introducing town halls in Microsoft Teams and retiring Microsoft Teams live events. WhatsApp may soon roll a new sidebar and group chat filter feature. Generative AI-powered image editing coming to Instagram. X experiments with pinning communities, search queries, profiles, and more. WhatsApp may soon roll out a new search feature. WhatsApp may extend the status duration to 2 weeks in an upcoming update. LinkedIn integrates Microsoft's Immersive Reader to improve accessibility. Pinterest announces free webinar on campaign optimization tips. Spotter and YouTube partner in supporting creator expansion to global audiences. Google is shutting down its Jamboard whiteboarding app. YouTube rolls out video view campaigns globally. Spotify introduces video ads on Roku. Snapchat sunsets its AR enterprise division as it vows to give advertisers AR tools. TikTok launches AI-powered creative assistant to streamline ad creation process. For more digital trends, visit karanbalidi.com.